Monata district. And myself, the chairperson, and was also representing Lira district. There are others that have already retired. I think I need to recognize their efforts in this committee. We have Mr. Okwi James Patrick, who was representing Uyam district. Oh, representing Dokolo, sorry. Dokolo district, yes. Then we have Mr. Obong Felix, who was representing Uyam. We also have Mr. Ray Johnson, who was representing Otuke district. And lastly, Mr. Wang Edward was representing Apache district. So these were the members of ASSHU. You could turn to your phone because I think it was posted yesterday. I think we produced the copies that were made. The secretary would let us. I thought maybe you were already given. But if you are in the platform of ASSHU, Lango region, you could defy yourself there. I think there are some few copies. So I was saying that in 22, those were the major activities that we implemented in the last 3 years that we have been in office. So you could just go through it because we have made a summary of what we have implemented. And these activities again continues up to point 3. Those are the summary of what we implemented. Under achievements, chairperson and members, I think I should mention. Chairperson, we had the annual participation of the region in both regional and national science fair exhibition. We were also able to recruit 2 regional trainers of biology to replace those who were serving, and they got promotion. We have been having annual stock taking for the regional systematic items and equipments. That has been under our custody. Chairperson, as it was mentioned in the report, there has been a continuous improvement in the payment of systematic funds by most schools. Another achievement was that our books of accounts has been audited for the last 3 years that we have been in office, 2022, 2023, and 2024. And I'm happy to report that we have the audit reports for all these 3 academic years. We were also able to have inset workshop for science and mathematics teachers annually. Also, we have been preparing quarterly reports to the Regional Management Committee. There has also been cordial working relationship with our regional trainers and also with you, the teachers, I presume. The region also participated in what we are calling COMESTA. This is a conference in mathematics and science technology education for African countries. So we participated in this at least 2 times. I should also report that the region was able to win a trophy in physics project exhibition in 2024. And I think this